Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the KineMaster video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device. And once you open it up, you can start working on any of your old projects or create a new one right away. Now, if you wish to turn off notifications from the application that you receive on your device, then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. This will then take you into your profile page. From here, tap on menu icon at the top right and then tap on notification. This will now show you various different notifications category for the KineMaster application. You can either tap on the show notifications toggle to turn all of the notifications off, or you may manually choose from what kind of notifications you would like to be shown and what kind you don't want to see. Just uncheck all of the notification categories that you don't want, and after doing so, you can go back to using your KineMaster application without any worries of notifications on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.